Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this stunning Mercedes C43 AMG. This car is from a private client of mine and I've had it over the weekend to do some work on it. In this video I'm looking to continue the fortnightly maintenance clean on the Mercedes C43 AMG. This time of year it does get quite dirty inside. It's mainly bits of leaves and debris that gets carried into the car. I'm also going to be sorting out a scratch on the bonnet that I believe has been caused by a cat. So I'm starting with a hoover and I generally start from the bottom and work my way up. I tend to do the mats first, then underneath the mats, following upwards with the door cards and onto the seats. I'll also do the steering wheel and the dash. I tend to work from the front corner around to the back, then up the other side, as it just allows me to keep track of what I'm doing and what I need to do next. This time around, the car had some staining and some marks on the leather seats and a door card, so I gave these a quick clean with Autoclips leather cleaner. I really like this and I find it's just as good as the Auto Bright version. I'm trying to finish up the bottle, so hence I'm using it today. Around this time of year, the car will get some mud on the kick plates, plastic areas, around the footwell. And since this isn't its annual detail, it's just a maintenance clean, I'm using Auto Bright's Fab to spray on and to remove this. The trim dressing will be applied every other wash, as I don't like to coat the plastics too much, particularly on a car like this where it isn't needed every single time. The gloss black centre console is then given a light wipe over with a glass cleaner to clean up any marks and oily residues from it. This is before a light dusting with a new Kirkland microfiber cloth to try to eliminate any possibility of causing marks on it. Once the gloss black trim is done, the windows are then given a quick clean using Autoclips Fast Glass. This is one of the best glass cleaners I've come across. I like to spray onto the cloth before making contact with the glass. For the side windows, I do this by hand, but for the windscreen I use the invisible glass tool. I have a link in the description below for this. On the bonnet, unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier, there's a small scratch. I wanted to go in first with the machine polisher to see what could be done. I've used Rupes blue compound on a green foam pad from Auto Bright. This did get quite a lot of the scratch removed, but it didn't get all of it. So I've gone in with a second time with a wool pad with Rupes blue compound and it's fully removed it. I used Auto Bright's final finish just to bring gloss back to the paint. Then a quick top up of the Tax Systems Moonlight coating this car has on it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Only 1% of my viewers are subscribed, and if you do, it really does help me out. I have links to all the products used in today's video below, and if you purchase them, I may receive some money back.